What is the standard size of wash basin for your house? Dear friends, choosing the right wash basin size is an important part of bathroom planning. A properly sized basin ensures comfort, functionality, and a well-balanced look for your space. The standard size of a wash basin for homes generally ranges between 450 mm to 600 mm, 18 to 24 inches, in width. This size is ideal for everyday use, providing enough space for hand washing without causing water splashes. In terms of depth, most wash basins measure around 150 mm to 250 mm, 6 to 10 inches. A deeper basin helps prevent water from spilling onto the countertop or floor, especially in frequently used bathrooms. The height of installation is also important. Wash basins are typically installed at a height of 800 mm to 850 mm, 31 to 34 inches, from the finished floor level. This height is comfortable for most adults and ensures ease of use. For small bathrooms or powder rooms, compact basins with widths of 350 to 400 mm are commonly used. These save space while still serving their purpose efficiently. In master bathrooms or luxury setups, larger countertop or vessel basins of 600 mm or more are preferred for a premium look and added convenience. In conclusion, while standard wash basin sizes work well for most homes, the final choice should depend on bathroom size, user comfort, and design style. Always balance practicality with aesthetics for the best result. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.